Hi, I'm Brian Brown, a founding partner at Brown Barron.
And I'm Leah Barron, the other founding partner at Brown Barron. We're a law firm that specializes in nursing home neglect, as well as medical malpractice and birth injury cases. And today we're going to explain what wrongful death beneficiaries are.
And wrongful death beneficiaries, that is a mouthful of a term. So let's talk about it. But first, we need to know what a wrongful death case is in the first place. And a wrongful death case is a case where a loved one has passed away because somebody else was negligent. They did something wrong in the care of your loved one, either from a doctor or at a hospital or at a nursing home, or even something like a serious car accident where somebody passes away. So the question is, who is a wrongful death beneficiary? Who may recover because of the other person's wrongdoing once their loved one passes? And there's two groups of people that can recover: primary beneficiaries and secondary beneficiaries. Now, primary beneficiaries are laid out in the statute that created wrongful death cases in the first place, and they're a spouse, a parent, or a child. So if the spouse of somebody passes away, the parent of somebody passes away, or the child of someone passes away, those are the beneficiaries. But it's not as simple as it sounds, because suppose you have a couple who've been together for years and years, and you ask yourself, well, I've been living with him or her for 30 years, and then they die because a doctor made a mistake. Can I recover? And the answer is no. If you've never married under Maryland law, you're not a spouse and you can't recover. The same goes for a parent or a child, and it works both ways. My son passed away because of somebody else's negligence. Can I recover? Well, if it's your biological or adopted child, the answer to that question is yes. But suppose you've raised somebody with your wife or husband for years and years and years, but you've never adopted them. Under the law, you're not their parent, and it works the other way. If the parent passes away, if they've never adopted you, you're not their child for wrongful death beneficiary purposes. So keep that in mind when you're looking at who can recover in these cases. Now, there's another set of beneficiaries. It's rare, and they're called secondary beneficiaries. And a secondary beneficiary can only recover in a unique circumstance when there's no primary beneficiaries. So the person passes away because a doctor did something wrong, and they have no spouse, no parent, and no child. Then, and only then, can you look to secondary beneficiaries. And secondary beneficiaries are people who are related by blood or marriage that are dependent upon the person that passed away. So, for example, that could be, let's say, a sibling who has been relying upon the deceased person for care, for income, for shelter, for food, whatever. They're dependent. But the important thing is, even to be a secondary beneficiary, you must be related by blood or marriage.
If you have any other questions about beneficiaries or wrongful death actions, you can visit our website or call our office at any time, or you can subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.